had a lot of requests to make Andy from the Disney Channel series, Andi Mack. So we are going to use some artistic liberties and customize this doll from Barbie Skipper Babysitters Inc. I found this doll at Walmart yesterday for $7.88. Let's take her out of the box. The first thing we're gonna do is add a little more articulation. This doll does have the basic 5, but I want more. I want more. Ariel, this isn't about you. In previous vids, we swapped Skipper dolls with Disney descendants, and we matched her to Evie. However, I am fresh out of Evie's.
Aw, man, what are we gonna do?
Let's see if she can match one of these two. No, I think that one's a little off, but Lonnie looks pretty close. So yeah, let's give it a try. Everyone, say it with me. Off with the head! Disney descendant heads are kind of difficult to remove. It is very easy to break the neck peg. So I place the doll in a plastic bag, then place the bag into a cup of hot water. Always have adult supervision when working with hot objects. After allowing the doll to sit in there for a few seconds, remove it, take off the plastic bag, then remove the head. If it is still too difficult, place it back into the bag and allow it to warm a little longer. Now let's see if we can get the head off this time. Oh yeah, way easier. Remove the Skipper doll's head. There we go. And replace with the Disney descendant head and place the Skipper head onto the Disney descendant body. Now when you're doing this, make sure that you want this doll on this body because it is very difficult to remove later. The match actually looks pretty good. It's a tiny bit off, but we're gonna go with it. And she can fit her old clothes, but unfortunately, not the shoes. Now she needs a little haircut.
Ooh, this looks like a cool place. I wonder if they take walk-ins. Hello? Is anyone here?
Dizzy at your service. How can I help you?
I'm just looking for a place to get a haircut.
Well, then you came to the right place. Have a seat. So, what kind of style are you looking for?
I don't know. Surprise me.
You! You've been taking all of the business in town! And I was here first. You can't be serious. Hand over the scissors. No, they're mine! Give them to me! No! Uh-oh.
Why did you guys say uh-oh? Is everything okay? Is that my hair?
I am just going to cut her hair to a very short cut. But I start cutting a little bit at a time because we can always take away, but we cannot add back on without having to do a complete reroute. I am cutting the sides at an angle so it's a little longer on top and shorter around the bottom. Spray it with a little water. I make a part and comb it to the side. Pour on a little hot water. Quickly comb the hair to style. Tie the hair down. I'm using some vet wrap. I found it at Tractor Supply. Now we wait and let the hair dry. Once dried, carefully remove the vet wrap. We have a little spot there, but I think we can cover some of that with a headband. I trimmed it a little more, then I rewrapped the head and poured water over it. Now we're going to get her dressed while waiting for her hair to dry. Andi Mack is known for wearing striped shirts and overalls. So let's try out these two outfits. This is so cute! I'm definitely getting that Andi Mack vibe now. I like the color of this top a little better, but this Skipper Babysitters Inc. doll shirt looks perfect. Then I took a pair of overall shorts from a Project MC Squared doll for a great look. And maybe we can use the vet wrap to make her headband. We use this stuff for the horse. And right now I'm just gonna cut a very thin strip. then wrap it around her head, and this stuff likes to stick to itself, so it's working perfectly for a headband. And now we have a custom doll inspired by Andi Mack. She even has her great big smile. Thank you for joining us while we made our Andi Mack inspired doll. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting!
If everyone knew all the things I could do, shoot me down, I'm back on my feet. 'Cause all I really need is me. If I could just share my view, maybe I'm too taboo. On my own, dance in the street.
We want to give a shout out to Brighter Barbie. What's up? What are we gonna do? I know, we just totally cut off her hair. Why does this always happen to me? Wait, you too? In my defense, she did say surprise her, so I think this qualifies. We gotta fix her. Let's do what we do best. Cut all their hair off on accident. But this time, we're gonna do it on purpose. Hold still. All right, we'll take a little off there. Yeah, right over here is good. That, yep, over there. Cut that a little shorter. Yep, right there. Okay. That looks about right. A little bit more right there. All right, I think that's about it. And we're done.
Wow, I love it. You two are the best. I'm gonna tell all my friends to come here.
Oh, it was nothing. Plus, we're the only hair salon in town, so they pretty much have no choice.